Good morning students. Today I am going to tell you about software engineering, a layered technology. Actually, software engineering, in the software engineering part we are going to develop a software, and that software product will pass through these layers. First one is quality focus, second one is process, third one is methods, and last one is tools. We have these four layers through which our software product will be developed by considering all these layers. First one is quality focus. Coming to quality focus, in this the software developing team produces a good quality software, and the characteristics of a good software, good quality software are nothing but if we are making any changes to the functionality of the software, nothing but correctness of the functions. If you want to do any correctness to the functions, nothing but changes to the functions, is the software is adapting that functionality, is the software is adapting that changes in the functionality or not. If it is adaptable, then we can tell that it is a good quality software. And second one is maintainability of software. Maintainability is nothing but the software should be run years and years for a long period of time without any failure rate. Then we can say that it is a good quality software. Let us take example. In the market there are number of mobile phones are launching, but only some of them are successful in their usage. When customer is going to use that mobile, the software installed in that should support each and every feature in that mobile. Otherwise, if it is not working or if it is not workable, then we can tell that it is a failed product. Nothing but if it is running for periods of time or a long period of time, that we can say that it is a good quality software. It has some maintenance. Next one is provide security. Security is nothing but if an unauthorized person, if some other person is going to use this software, we should get a security alert. For example, see, each and every smartphone is linked with your Gmail account. If you are opening your Gmail account in any other smartphone, then you will get an security alert email message that someone is trying to open your Gmail account. That is the software, good quality software, that alerts you that some issue is going to be happen. If you are not, you can be rectify that mistake. Then next one is usability. This feature is very important because this is the nothing but efforts required to use or operate the software. Okay, this is about quality focus. Next layer is about process layer. Actually, we call this layer is also known as foundation layer or base layer. Actually, this is the foundation for our software engineering, and the software process acts as the key to keep all the layers together. We have four layers. These four layers, the process layer is going to keep all the other three layers together. They work together in order to provide a good quality software, and it covers all the activities, actions and tasks in order to develop a software. And next one is methods. In this layer, the method provides the answers of how to. These type of questions get answers in this layer, and it provides the technical way to implement software. Nothing but which coding language we have to choose in order to develop a software has been done in this layer, and it includes all the tasks. It is a collection of tasks starting from communication, then requirement analysis, and then analysis and design modeling, then constructing, testing and support. These all collection of tasks is done in this methods layer. Next, coming to last one, that is tools. In this tools, actually the software engineering tool is an automated support. It is an automated support for the software development. Tools are nothing but we use some operating systems and some web designing tools. We have lot of tools like PHP, JavaScript. These are all available in this layer, and these tools are integrated, nothing but the information created by one tool can be used by the other tool. For example, we can use a web designing tool in a Microsoft Publisher. We can run web designing applications in the Microsoft operating system. Nothing but one tool is going to support the other tool. That all are considered in these tools. Then we have 4 layers. They are quality focus, in which we have number of things like changes in the functionality, maintenance of software, providing security and usability is done in order to produce a good quality software. Coming to process, this is the actual foundation layer for software engineering, and it keeps all levels together, and it also contains activities and tasks to be carried out for software development. And methods, we have some questions, that questions will be answered in these methods, and it also includes the technical way to implement the software, and it is a collection of tasks. And coming to tools, we have automated support to the software development by using these tools. Okay, this is about software engineering layered technology.